This is continuation from Collection and Dispensary, Part 1. Once the payment/billing is recorded, the medicines must have the batch number saved. The injections also must have the batch number saved. Therefore it is important to maintain only 1 to 2 batch of injections in the treatment/doctor room so that the staffs will be able to identify the batches easily. To list the available batch numbers for this item, click this gray triangle here. This is the list of available batches and quantities. To select a batch, click on the batch number. After selecting the batch number and quantities will be loaded here. This is the batch number. This is the quantity of that batch. Click Save to save this batch number. Stock is only reduced once this batch number is saved. Skipping this batch number saving will result in incorrect stock balances, and incorrect prescription book and psychotropic registry, that could lead to legal consequences. Once the batch number is saved, the expiry date for this batch is shown here. The quantity is in this unit. For the second medicine, click this gray triangle to list the available batches. Click the batch number to select the batch. If the quantity selected for this batch is less than what is needed, in this example 90 ml is needed, you can select second/third batch to top up the difference. Click Save to save this batch. As the quantity saved is only 45, which is less than 90, there is option to save another batch to bring the total quantity to 90. List the available batches. Select the batch from this list. Enter 45 as the quantity and click Save. Now we have 90 ml in total. Multiple batch numbers are usually needed if the quantity required cannot be filled with one batch. This icon indicates that this medicine has been instructed to be mixed with the above medicine. The medicines/quantities listed here are just examples. If the instructions to mix medicines are given, the quantities must be mixed according to the quantities specified by the doctor here. The medicines/quantities listed here are just examples. In the patient page, instruction to mix medicines are given by ticking this checkbox. And the quantities to be mixed have been specified as 60 and 30. In this example 60 ml of seer.actified is to be mixed with 30 ml of seer.prednisolone. Cream/ointments can also be instructed to be mixed. If this checkbox is ticked, the label for this medicine will not be printed when Labels button is clicked. If this red square is present, it means the doctor has added some additional instructions. Click to view the additional instructions. This is the additional instructions the doctor has given. In the patient page, this is where the additional instructions are saved. Hovering the mouse pointer. These notes are usually used to indicate the location of this item in the clinic/dispensary. The notes can be specified here in the List All page via the Inventory page. Batch number must be saved for injections as well, the same way as for medicines. If batch numbers are not saved, the stock is not reduced and the medicines/injections cannot be tracked. Make sure batch numbers are saved immediately. Skipping this batch number saving will result in incorrect stock balances, and incorrect prescription book and psychotropic registry, that could lead to legal consequences. To print MC, click here. Time slip can be printed by clicking here. However, this gray button indicates that no time slip has been saved by the doctor. The labels for medicines can be printed by clicking Labels. Labels should be printed after the batch numbers have been saved. Receipt can only be printed after the collection has been updated. Otherwise the amount in the receipt will show 0. If there are any referrals/memos saved by the doctor, they can be listed by hovering the mouse pointer here on Referrals. As there can be more than one referrals/memos, click the one to be printed from this list here. If there are any group investigations saved by the doctor, they can be listed by hovering the mouse pointer here on Lab Orders. As there can be more than one group investigations, click the one to be printed from this list here. The barcode for this lab will be printed that can be affixed to the lab order form. If allergy information is saved, allergy card sticker can be printed by clicking Allergies. However, this gray button indicates that no allergy information has been saved for this patient. If the doctor has saved any follow-ups, the details will be shown here. Clicking on the follow-up period will print the appointment card sticker. This is where the doctor puts in the follow-up instructions in the patient page. This will show the diagnosis for the patient is saved by the doctor in the patient page. Notes pertaining to collection details for this visit can be entered here. To save the notes, type the notes here before updating this collection details. If any prescriptions are given by the doctor, they will be listed here. Prescriptions are meant for medicines to be purchased from pharmacies. Click Print Prescription to print the prescription. In the patient page, prescriptions are saved by clicking this button until it shows P. D is for normal dispensing from clinic. If receipts or MCs are issued manually, out of the system, enter their serial numbers here for records. That's it. To be continued in Collection and Dispensary, Part 3.